A niche market, it's a targeted group of people interested or seeking information on a similar product or solution. So, for example, a broad niche market would be weight loss. There is a lot of people that are looking for solutions to lose more weight, to actually, better their life, to eat better, to diet, to exercise correctly. So weight loss is a broad niche. It's a whole group of people that are passionate or interested or seeking information on losing weight. A more defined niche market would be an example of weight loss for senior citizens. So that would be a little more defined market. Survival, that's more of a broad niche. And another one would be how to survive a government shutdown. That's more of a narrow niche market. So, survival, broad niche, weight loss, broad niche market. Weight loss for senior citizens, weight loss for young mothers, weight loss for singles, weight loss for, whatever age group you want to target, weight loss for males, weight loss for females. And then within weight loss, you've got everything from fitness, because people could lose weight by exercising, by changing their diet, or ultimately a combination of the two. So it just depends on what market you want to go to from there. So you can really narrow down your niche markets. The more narrow you can get, actually, sometimes the better off you are. Even though there's less people, it's a lot easier to target those people. Golf, for example, that's a very broad niche. Golf could mean everything from people wanting to go golfing on as casual golfers to people that are very serious golfers to pro level golfers. Now, if you're in the golf niche and you go into the niche, or you create a product, or you create a course or an article or content around the topic of curing golf slice, that is actually a very narrow niche market. That's a narrow niche market within golf because it's something that people have a problem with. So that niche now got smaller, and instead of just anybody that has expressed interest in golf, it could just be going out on a golf course or looking to buy golf carts. You've now narrowed that down to people that specifically want to cure golf slice. So they have a problem with slicing the ball when they hit it. They want to cure their golf slice. So that would be a group of people. Relationships, that's a broad niche market. Improving your marriage, that's a much more narrow niche market. And it's not about dating, but it's about improving your marriage. Ways to make money with niche marketing. There's several different ways, and we're just going to do a quick overview of each one of those. Affiliate marketing, that's one of the key ways where you're actually promoting product for a commission. CPA marketing, which is cost per action. So that's where you get basically for people taking a certain action. It could be signing up for a trial. It could be generating leads for people. Maybe it's insurance leads and you're in that niche market. You could get paid a percentage or a certain dollar amount, maybe $5 for every lead or a dollar for every lead, 50 cents for every email lead that they generate. Whatever the case is, that's what more cost per action is. Affiliate marketing, you could argue, is actually just cost per action because you get paid every time somebody makes a sale. You get paid a set commission amount, whether it's 50%, 15%, 8%, whatever product lines you're promoting. If you're an affiliate for digital information products, you're going to make a much higher percentage commission. Building an email list within your niche market of people that are interested in purchasing products related to your niche. That's a huge way to make money in niche marketing. Creating your own information product. That's one of the fastest ways that you can really stand out in a niche market, especially if there's a crowded niche market with lots of other people. Creating an information product that solves a problem people have within that niche is really important. This could be digital or physical type product. So a physical product might be, everything from a DVD series that they pop into their DVD and info product in that way. It could also be a product that actually helps their daily life. It could be supplements that maybe you have private labeled, or maybe you're in the pet niche and you decide to private label a certain brand of dog beds or dog grooming supplies or things like that you actually create and make your own products. So those are other ways you could target a niche market with physical products. Selling your niche website. That's a really cool strategy that not a lot of people understand, is that as you're building a business and as you're building like a niche focused business, you're actually building an asset as well. So all the traffic you get, all the sales that you get, the email subscribers, all that kind of stuff is really an asset that you can bundle together as a nice package and actually have an exit strategy so you aren't stuck with this niche market the rest of your life, Or if you decide to go in a different direction, you have a way that you could sell this. A big mistake people make is they maybe get worn out or tired of a certain niche, or maybe they just decide, hey, this is just not profitable, I'm not enjoying it, and they just leave the website. They just let it go and they shut off the website and they just quit. Well, a much better strategy would be to have an exit strategy where you actually sell that business and make money for your efforts, or get something back at least. Even if it's not all your efforts, you get something back in return. So, steps to niche marketing success: this is to choose the right niche market, understand how to make money within that niche, build up your following, whether, email list, social media, creating a product for your target market. That's a surefire way to stand out from the crowd. Building a blog within that niche, and then using some common free traffic methods to obtain more traffic, and then using paid traffic as well to kind of build your audience, build your rapport, make sales, get the results you want. And then again, selling your niche business as an exit strategy. Some people actually, their entire business model is just building up online businesses, making money on them while they can, and then turning around and selling them and then repeating it in another niche market. So it's kind of a fun process that way, where you could actually scale this up into multiple niche markets. So you could be in everything from the model train niche to the fitness niche market to the ailment niche market, where you're actually helping people with natural cures for certain problems or ailments. And so there's multiple steps that you could go there. And that's the beauty of, niche marketing and going into several hot niche markets, maybe the hot ones that you've seen trending out there. And there's many different ways to make money within those niches. So it's all about multiple income streams for yourself as well. So once you get good at this, once you master this, you could actually go into multiple niche markets. So in the next video, we're going to talk all about choosing your niche market so you can actually hit the ground running and know that the niche you're going after is a potentially profitable one.